Alright. So kakapanood ko lang nung Emoji music video with SB19 kasama si Jolin Chai, and she is, hey man, she is hot. Talagang bruh, marami sexy. Okay, kaya sabi ko, hanapin ko baka may interview sila behind the scene. Gusto ko siya makita eh. Baka na SB19. Tsaka na muna sila. Queen of C-pop, Jolin Chai. Okay, tignan natin, man. Ang ganda niya doon, ang lupit niya doon, man. SB19 is amazing, man. What the heck? But I wanna see more of her kasi di namin natin siya nakita. Kaya today, tignan natin kung magsasalita daw siya dito. Oh. Ayan siya, oh, ganda niya. Man, tignan natin, man. G.
Queen of C-pop Jolin Chai made a heartwarming message to SB19 after their emoji collaboration. It looks like our SB19 made an impact with the Queen of C-pop Jolin Chai, not just with their talent, but with their passion and attitude. In an Instagram post, she wrote, "This
In an Instagram post, akala ko nagsalita siya. Sige, okay lang.
time with SB19 Omen Creation looks like a blind date. The first thought is, what are we talking about? I don't know if you tried it, replacing a lot of things I wanted to say with a few emoji. Put complex emotional, social rhetoric compressed into a few symbols so you can survive better. I found myself too. I will often say things that can't be said. Even a little dark mood hiding in a look that looks okay."
Oh, damn. Good shit. Parang minsan daw, malungkot siya, nasa dark mood siya, but you have to, you have to show a smiley face. Yun yung connection ng emoji eh. Parang, okay, nakangiti yung mo, pero yung puso mo ay nagdurugo. Alright, good message, ah.
So when we first met online, I throw out a few words. Emoji, social fake. They nod their heads almost at the same time.
Damn! So siya pala yung ng team. Bruh, SB19 is, bruh. Oh my God. Nai-inlove na ulit ako sa SB19, no? I mean, palagi naman ako in love, pero umaangat. Isipin mo kung gaano kalupit yun, binigyan na sila ng emoji, social, fake. Then they came up with this. Yun ang binigay sa kanila, man. What the heck? That's hard. Holy. God damn.
Turns out we are all the same. Occasionally hiding behind a symbol will also be on that compression self, feeling a little tired, a little embarrassed. Thank you, boys, for always full of energy when meeting offline. That passion deeply infected me.
Aww, that passion deeply infected me. Wow.
Special thanks, Ken. In the run-in process,
Bakit may pa-special things kay Ken? Why single Ken out? Ha? Ano? In the run-in process of arrangement making, always throw out heart symbol, given the warmest modifications of dahil isipin mo yun, men, ang ganda ng connection, ang ganda nung yung collaboration nila, emoji. Tapos ang ingay ng Cebu Pacific, ha? Emoji yung collaboration nila, tapos yun din pala yung parang nagbigay ng parang malaking bagay para sa kanya na nagsisend si Ken ng emoji. Ang ganda, no? Ang ironic na yun din pala yung parang nagpaano sa ng puso niya na ay kalmado ako dahil may heart symbol, 'di ba? Heart emoji.
of arrangement making, always throw out heart symbol. Give me the warmest modification, support, and response. Hope the look behind the screen is really happy to change.
Damn. Kasi sabi niya, sana totoong masaya kayo sa likod ng screen. Don't worry, ma'am. Don't worry, Jolin. SB19 is never fake. If you have a collaboration with them, they definitely like you. Don't worry. You are in the safe hands. Because these are genuinely good people, good gentlemen. Kung chicks lang ako, papatusin ko yan.
Finally, I wish SB19 a great success with new album and tour.
Very nice, man. We got another video with her.
嗨，大家好，我是蔡依林。
我们是 SB19。
Man. She looks stunning. She looks 45 years old. G. Joke lang. I have I'm not available, but god damn, man. God damn, she looks hot.
Our latest song, Emoji, featuring the incredible Jolene,
SB19
is
and
finally
Jolene.
Look at the Incredible Hulk. Alright.
Chai's
That's right.
new video
It's out
after
now, ready for
Emoji
you to
music
listen,
video shoot,
share, and
plus
enjoy
SB19
everywhere.
becomes
Let's
a hot
go.
topic
Stream,
on
Ba't ka sumasabay, Miss O? Di ba pwedeng i-pause yan?
share,
Hello.
and buy with emoji.
Boom, 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 boom.
Yes, SB19 has finally released the Emoji music video with the incredible Jolin Chai. And once again, the boys have given us something new, something different, and altogether explosive. From the visuals, cinematography, and choreography.
Yeah,
The
it's
music
good.
video is so hypnotizing to watch, especially the dance break. And also, did you know that 1 hour after its release, Emoji has charted at number 31
Number 31 on QQ Music Index Top 50. 1 hour after the release. Damn!
on QQ Music, one of China's largest premium music streaming services. SB19 has also become a hot topic on Red Note,
Oh my god, that's a lot. Oh my god. Ang alam lang natin, okay, ano pa, nasa 300k pa siya ngayon sa YouTube. That's actually slow, man. But this is what matters. Tumutunog tayo sa China. And China is a huge market. Oh my god, man. SB19's mindset is on the money. That's really good.
China's popular networking and e-commerce platform because of Emoji. It is also currently charting in 10 countries on
Number 3 in Qatar, number 9 in Singapore, Philippines, UAE, Hong Kong, Luxembourg, Taiwan, Turkey, Malaysia, Australia. Oh my god.
iTunes Songs chart. On the other hand, here's a video of Jolin Chai and SB19 after the music video shoot for the promotion
Yeah, let me
of
see.
Emoji.
嗨，大家好，我是蔡依林。
我们是 SB19。
What the fuck, man? She's so pretty. What the F?
Our latest song, Emoji, featuring the incredible Jolene, is finally here. That's
Hyolyn. So I was pronouncing her name wrong. Hyolyn. Huh? Get that right. Jolin. Hyolyn.
right. It's out now, ready for you to listen, share, and enjoy.
It's so hard, right? Somebody talking behind your back and you don't know what they're talking about. Kasi parang Chinese lang yung ano niya, yung language niya talaga. Ganun lang siya. It's hard. But you don't need that. If you're that pretty, fuck the language, man. Fuck the international language. You're beautiful. You don't need that. All you need in the world is just emojis. Subscribe.
Jolene is finally here. That's right. It's out now, ready for you to listen, share, and enjoy everywhere.
Let's go. Stream,
Damn, Josh is fire, man. Josh Cullen.
share, and buy with emoji now.
I can't get over this Xiaolin, man. She looks, man, she is freaking beautiful. What the heck, right? So that's it. Oh, I'm so happy that I get to see her talk. Just talk, man. She's pretty. Let me search her on Instagram. I follow this amazing Queen of P-pop, and she looks freaking young, man. She looks like 24. Tough. They age beautifully in China, man. What are you eating there? Man, shoutouts to SB19, shoutouts to Howlin. Very beautiful woman. Amazingly talented people right here on the screen. Awesome, man. If you like SB19 content, subscribe to the channel. Again, this is Curves PH, and you are amazing. Yeah.